Comapalooza 2017 still going strong. I'm with Anthony from Cosign.
Hi.
Dude, I feel like we're double dipping. We are going to double dip on this because we already talked to you for probably like half an hour now.
That's cool.
But we're standing in front of the biggest 3D printer I've ever seen. So tell me what your company does.
So we actually make 3D printers, and we do some printing ourselves. We just started as a bunch of people who like 3D printing, and then we were like, well, there's all these problems. How do we fix them? So we just went forth from there, solving small problems one at a time until we came to this guy, and it was just much bigger, and it's kind of just grown a lot, and so it's just been really fun. We just try to have fun and then print and then make fun stuff.
Was it just more of a challenge to go like how insanely large can we get something like this?
Kind of, yeah. It's been a big issue on like, okay, well, it's big. How do we make it bigger? And then how do we optimize the space? And then how do we print bigger? Because everyone's wondering like, okay, well, what if you do this? And we're like, yeah, but what about bigger now?
So one of the things that impressed me when I was looking through all of your sample pieces was I think you had a bunch of different materials that I believe would lend very well to making bucks for thermoforming armor and things like that, which is very... It ties in very well to all the cosplayers and all the different costumes that we see around here. Is that something that you just outsource? Is that something that you'll actually do for customers if they want something like that?
We have done it for customers as well. There have been some people who come up to us and they're like, hey, can you make us this costume or make us this mold? And we're like, yeah, sure. If you can find us the design or if we can work with you on making the design, we're happy to do it.
Also, this is a neat space heater because I can feel the heat coming off of it.
Right? It's nice and warm. It's nice and toasty. So it gets pretty hot. That's why we keep the doors nice and shut, but it's pretty cool. I like it.
All right, quick hit. I'm going to put you on the spot. Go ahead and go through all the different materials that you can do.
Okay. So PLA, ABS, ASA, polycarb with carbon fiber. We've done solder before, but that's not super recommended. It doesn't really have a use. Nylon, acrylic, you name it, we'll print it. If it melts, we'll try our best.
Everything. I actually saw some of your carbon fiber pieces over there, and there was a bit of a challenge issue to see if I could break it, and that thing is super, super strong. So what kind of testing, what kind of torture testing have you put your carbon fiber prints through?
Not too much yet, because those were the first kind of revs we've ever done, but we've been doing some tests with some labs where we print 100 of them, and then they run them through strength testing where they just try to break it. Same kind of way you would, just a little bit more. They write down the results a little bit more.
And you guys are Houston-based?
We are Houston-based. We started in Houston. Everyone that works at the company is from Houston, and, you know, Clutch City. We love it here.
That's awesome. Well, I appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
Cosign. I'm probably going to call back at some point because I think I want to go tour your factory and everything else.
Oh, most definitely. We love tours. We love having people, and we love showing people all the fun stuff we do.
That's wicked, man. Appreciate your time.
Of course.
Thank you.